Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Last Pusher, whether it's legit or just another too good to be true app. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Last Pusher is available on the Google Play Store and looks like your typical coin dozer game. You drop coins, hit jackpots, and supposedly earn rewards like PayPal Cash, iPhones, or even gift cards. But here's the catch. Based on user reviews and sources like Naija New Life, the app doesn't really deliver on its promises. Many users say they never actually receive any payouts, even after watching tons of ads or reaching payout threshold. There's also no clear info about the developer or customer support. We also couldn't find any listing for Last Pusher on Trustpilot, so there's no public trust score or verified reviews there either. For the final verdict, Last Pusher seems more like an ad-heavy game designed to make money off your screen time, not reward it. While it's fun to play casually, don't expect real payouts. If you're looking for legit side income apps, this probably isn't it. Have you tried Last Pusher yourself? Let us know how it went in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straight to the point reviews.